Good morning students. Today we will discuss the topic consumer budget. Okay. As in previous video we talk about the meaning of consumer equilibrium. Then we have talked about the consumer equilibrium in case of one commodity, then more than one commodity, or we can say several commodity. Okay. In case of two commodity. Then we have talked about the indifference curve. So what is indifference curve? It is the mainly shows the possible combination of two goods that a consumer purchase and get same level of satisfaction. Okay, अगर consumer उन combination में से कोई भी combination choose करता है तो उसका जो satisfaction level है that remain the same. Okay. Then we have talk about the properties of indifference curve. Now we are going to talk about consumer budget. Okay. As consumer budget, it shows the total income of the consumer. Okay, budget means उसकी कितनी income है, that is the budget of the consumer. Okay, so in this we will talk about two things. One is budget set. Okay, budget set, and second is budget line. Budget line. So budget line and budget set. Budget line, it shows the limit of the consumer. Okay, and budget set is the equation which shows the income of the consumer and also price of two goods. Okay, so firstly we are going to talk about the budget set. Budget set. So budget set is, budget set refers to attainable combination of a set of two goods given price of goods and income of consumer. It means what it shows the attainable, which can be attained, means these combination are within the budget of the consumer. So budget set shows the attainable combination of a set of two goods and given the price of the goods and income of the consumer. Okay, so we will understand through this table. You can see in the table units of good one is given, means how many quantity of good one is consumer consuming, and we can give the name of the goods like here apple and here orange. Okay, means यहाँ consumer apple ले रहा है और यहाँ पे orange ले रहा है. So we are given two goods and suppose the budget as income of the consumer is also given. So budget of the consumer is 60 rupees. Okay, this is the budget of the consumer. Okay, and price of good one is rupees 2 per kg and good 2 is rupees 1 per kg. Okay. So price of the goods we are given, good 1 price is 2 rupees per kg and good 2 rupees is 1 rupees per kg. Okay, and two goods we are given, income of the consumer is also given, that is 60. So what combination can be consumed by the consumer, we will know by the budget set. So first combination, that when consumer is consuming only good 2, he is spending his whole income, entire income on the good 2, then he can purchase 60 units of good 2 and 0 units of good 1. Okay, so this is combination A. Then in B combination, consumer can take 10 units of good 1. It means he is spending 20 units of good 1 apple and 20 rupees on good, 40 rupees on good second. Okay, so 60 rupees. So this is combination B. Then in C combination, consumer is consuming 20 units of apple. It means he is spending 20 into 2, 40 rupees on good 1 and 20 rupees on good 2. Okay, so this is combination C. And in combination D, consumer is consuming 30 units of good A. It means he is spending his entire income on good A. Okay. So in D combination, consumer spending his whole income on good A and he is taking 0 quantity of good B. Okay. We can say orange. So these are the attainable combinations combination which can be attained by the consumer as the income of the consumer and price of the goods we are given. Okay, so budget set equation, we can say budget set is also the equation of price and budget of the consumer. So how equation can be written? Budget equation we can write as what it's showing to us. It shows the combination of goods which can be attained by the consumer as price of the goods is given and income of the consumer is also given. Okay, so what will be the combination equation? We can write P1 into quantity to Q1. ओके, कि गुड का फर्स्ट गुड का प्राइस कितने है, उसकी क्वांटिटी कितनी ले रहा है, प्लस P2 प्राइस ऑफ गुड 2 इनटू Q2 क्वांटिटी ऑफ गुड 2 इज लेस देन और इक्वल टू Y. Y मीन्स इनकम ऑफ द कंज्यूमर. ओके, सो P1 मीन्स प्राइस ऑफ गुड X, प्राइस ऑफ गुड X, and Q1 means quantity of good 1, we can say. We can give name and we can write good 1 or 2. Okay, so quantity of good 1 and price of good 1 plus P2 means price of good 2 and Q2 means quantity of good 2, okay, is less than. हो सकता है वो कुछ इनकम सेव कर ले, पूरी की पूरी स्पेंड ना करे, तो जो हमारा इसका प्लस है प्राइस ऑफ गुड 1 क्वांटिटी ऑफ गुड 1 प्लस प्राइस ऑफ गुड 2 इनटू क्वांटिटी ऑफ गुड 2 कैन बी इक्वल टू द बजट. ये बजट के इक्वल भी हो सकता है और हो सकता है वो कुछ इनकम को सेव कर ले, तो इट कैन बी लेस देन और इक्वल टू Y. ओके, लेस देन और इक्वल टू Y. So this is our budget equation. Okay, budget set is the mainly budget equation which shows the price of the goods and quantity of the goods and income of the consumer is given. Now we will talk about the budget line. So what is budget line? Line is the diagrammatic presentation of table which we draw. Okay, so what was the table? We have shown the price, quantity of good 1 and quantity of good 2, and price we have given RS2 and RS1. Okay, so firstly we are taking 0 of 1 and 60 of this as consumer budget is given equal to 60, and the second combination can be 10 and 40, and the next can be 20 and 20, and the next can be 30 and 0. Okay, so how we will draw a diagram using this table? So here we will take O axis and OY axis. Okay, so here we will take good 1 and good 2. So this is our AB line. Okay, so if consumer is consuming all the units of good 1, then he is consuming nothing of good 2. Okay, and if consumer is spending all the entire income on the good 2, then he is taking nothing of good 1. Okay, so if consumer is spending all the income on good 1, then he is taking 0 units of good 2, and if consumer is spending all the income of good 2, then he is taking 0 quantity of good 1. So this AB line is budget line. Okay, this AB line is budget line. Why it is called budget line? Because it is showing the different combination of goods and also the price of the goods given the budget of the consumer. Okay, so here can be different which consumer can take. Okay, so it shows the price of the goods and also quantities of the goods which consumer can attain given income of the consumer. Okay, income of the consumer is given. So all the combination within this budget line are called attainable combination. Okay, attainable combination. Attainable combination. And beyond this budget line called non-attainable. Non-attainable combination. Why? Because budget is the constraint, we can say limit of the consumer, beyond which consumer cannot purchase the goods and services. Why? Because income of the consumer is limited. That is given. So this is also called budget set, we can say also it is called constraint. Why? Because that is the limit of the consumer beyond which consumer cannot purchase or cannot consume more goods. Okay. So what is the basically difference between budget line and budget set? Budget set shows the equation, we can say, of goods, price and income of the consumer. Okay. So in budget set, quantity of the goods and price of the goods can be equal or less than. Okay, as we have given the equation P1 into Q1 plus P2 into Q2 can be less than or equal to income. But in budget line, they should be equal to Y. Okay, it is the basic difference between budget set and budget line. Okay, because up to this AB line, all the combination are attainable combination, but beyond that point, all the combination are non-attainable combination. Okay, so students, we have discussed about the budget, consumer budget, that we have to consume budget set and budget line. Okay, so watch the video and also practice table diagram from your notebook. If you face any problem, any doubt, you are free to ask. Thank you.